So, poop and alcohol. Malachi 2:3 says to wipe dung on one's face. Ezekiel 14:12-15 says to eat cake with poop. And Proverbs 31:6-7 mentions alcohol is good for one's stomach. Timothy 5:23 says alcohol is to treat psychiatric ailments and to ease poverty. And where is it in John? John 22:3. The Jesus turning water into wine. So I guess I'll walk around this building and show it. Calvary, I like better than Calvary, but never quite got too much the celebration of death. Well, I guess I did, because I was definitely a Christian for a long time. But that way of thinking of other people doing one's hero deeds for them, why can't God set it for us to do ourselves? Give us the opportunity for us to live out. And if we make a mistake, to make up for that. Is that a weasel or something? What just crawled up out of there? Oh, there's a dog in that house there. I thought the church went around, so I guess I'm not going to test the fence, because it knows I'm not normal here, I guess, because there was a thing out there but the Baptist idea that you're driven by your own experience, or at least there's someone around who's had the experience to tell you about it, instead of it just being stories passed on for, hundreds, maybe even dozens, but thousands of years, tens of thousands of years, some of these concepts. The Mithraic idea happened a long time ago. But what do these things represent? That's about as important as anything. The mountains being the high parts of the body, the caves and the grays being the lower parts of the psyche. The head to the tailbone, I guess. I presume back in the day, and maybe even nowadays, maybe there's someone who goes up there and rings that bell. It could just be a vestige of the old way. I was raised to think that in joining a church, that one is, either somehow baptized by the water, the fire, or the Spirit. There's certainly the psychedelic, sensual experiences of following any ritual system to its fulfillment. And let me show this again, because I failed at that. Judson Baptist Church, erected 1947. So this place is about as old as my father. Greater Mount Calvary Baptist Church. And it was the other church that I saw and I guess I'm going to leave off here after showing you the sign. Maybe there was another Mount Calvary Baptist Church around and they wanted to assert their authority, or just saying that because this was a spot of death, I was talking to a Christian the other day, and there's a lot of Christians that don't like the cross because, you know, it's like a tragedy that had to go through. It's not something we celebrate for them. But whatever your belief, whatever your practice, it's up to you.